Hello, Math 151. This question was emailed to me. A ladder must be carried down a hallway around a right angled corner into another hallway. The first hallway is 6 feet wide, and the hallway around the corner is 10 feet wide. What is the longest ladder that you can horizontally carry horizontally around the corner? And with this literature, there came a drawing as a hint that so these are the two hallways. Notice that the hallways are making a 90 degrees, okay? And the hint is that this part of the ladder, the author calls it D, and then this part is called E, and of course the ladder is D plus E, is D plus E. And okay, so the ladder L equals D plus E. Notice one thing I can do here. First of all, the information given. The first hallway is 6, so this right here is 6 feet. And the other hallway is 10 feet, so this right here is 10. Notice that if I continue this side right here, okay, since this side is parallel to this side, then this angle theta is congruent to this angle, whatever you call this angle. You know, let's say if this is beta, beta equals to theta. They are the same angle simply because this is perpendicular, parallel to this one. These two lines are parallel, and that this side right here is cutting two parallel sides. So beta equals to theta. What kind of relationship we can use? We can use sine for this triangle, because I know the side opposite, and I can use cosine for this one. So for angle beta, I can claim that cosine of beta equals side adjacent 10 over D. And from that, I can claim that, D equals, I can claim that D equals 10 divided by cosine of beta. But since theta and beta are the same size, I can make that substitution and say that D equals 10 over cosine of theta. D equals 10 cosine of theta. So that can substitute in here. But how about E? For E, I can claim, let me go ahead and go to the next page. For E, I can claim that sine of theta equals side opposite, which is 6 over E. And this, so solving for E, I can claim that E equals 6 divided by sine of theta. 6 equals sine of theta. And remember that what we had, we said that L equals D plus E. If I make that substitution, I have L equals D from previous page, which was 10 over cosine of beta plus 6 over sine of theta. And we said beta and theta are the same, so let me, okay, so this is 10 over cosine of theta plus 6 over sine of theta. And since we want to maximize the side L. So this is an optimization problem. I'm going to have to take the derivative and set it equal to 0. All right, let me go to the next page. So we said L equals 10 over cosine theta plus 6 over sine theta. And since I do want to take the derivative of this, I'm going to rewrite this as L equal 10 times cosine of theta to the -1 plus 6 times sine of theta to the negative. So L prime equals -10 cosine of theta to the -2. Using chain rule, multiply that by minus sine theta minus 6 times sine of theta to the -2. The derivative of sine is cosine theta. So writing this, so now L prime equals, let's rewrite this, negative times negative is positive. So I have 10 sine of theta over cosine squared of theta minus 6 times cosine of theta over sine squared of theta. And now set all this equal to 0. So set equal to 0. Let's go to the next page. So 10 sine theta over cosine squared of theta equals 6 cosine of theta over sine squared of theta. Well, actually, let me do one baby step here. Here I had minus this equals 0. So if I rearrange that, I get 10 sine of theta over cosine squared of theta equals 6 cosine of theta over sine squared of theta. The cross product, I get 10 sine cubed of theta equals 6 cosine cubed of theta. Okay, dividing both sides by cosine cubed will give me sine cubed of theta over cosine cubed of theta, and multiplying both sides by 1 over 10 gives me 6 over 10. 6 and 10 are both divisible by 2, so 3 over 5. So this is 3 over 5. 3 over 5. Well, sine over cosine is tangent. So now I can claim that tangent cubed of theta equals 3/5. And tangent of theta equals the cube root of 3/5. Then go to the next page. So I can say tangent of theta equals cube root of 3/5, which okay. So I have 3 over 5 to the power of 1/3. So tangent of theta equals 0.8434326653. So theta equals, take tangent inverse of that. So tangent inverse, plugging it in my calculator, tangent inverse of second answer, 0.70066690105. And remember that we said that the length equals, it was 10 over cosine of theta, which is cosine of 0.70066690105. sorry. 700,669,0105. Okay, and that was plus 6 over sine of 0.70066690105. Okay, so that almost equals, so 10 divided by cosine of 0.7066905, and then plus 7 over sine of 0.70066690105. And what I get, the final answer, I get it 22.3881994. 22.3881994. And so let's do it to, like, say 3 decimals. And let's do, well, that's the answer that I'm getting to according to my calculator. And the unit was feet. So the unit was feet. So the ladder must be 22.388 feet or shorter. Okay, thanks.